Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is March 23rd, 2024, and this is my weekly market review. I'm reviewing the Dow 30, that's DIA, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only. As we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other, and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, the Dow is back making those weekly highs, so I think this market is ready to start making this march back to the upside and all. But let's zoom on in here and see what we see and all, and wrap this up pretty quickly here. The market on the quarterly chart, we are still trading below that yearly R1. It is still playing around there, but this may be the week that it actually break that and stay above that level. And we're at 394 right now. That'll be getting us probably above 400 also. We got that round number there coming up at the end of the month. Let's see what they do. And it's also going to be the end of the quarter. So let's be mindful of that and trade accordingly. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the monthly chart. On the monthly chart, as we can see, we are above the 9-10 moving average. So that means we're still bullish. We're still got green candles, green candles, green candles, green candles now here on the Dow. And like I said, we got this target of 400. It kind of pulled back off of it the first time it actually tried to get to there. That was this week. And now we're going to have to see what happens next week. Let's go ahead and go down to the weekly chart and see what we see there. On the weekly chart, like I say, it was again, this market was looking like it wanted to turn over. It was getting what was kind of looking like an evening star. Then last week we ended up with this doji. Now we're getting what looks like a morning star. And again, these candle patterns can get kind of crazy. But we ended up coming right back below this monthly, R1 level. When this thing tried to make a charge towards 400 and breaking 400, come next week, I kind of expect us to be opening above pivot. And if we open above pivot, our next R1 level is at 400. And the thing is, will we close above 400 or will we stay below 400? With the market sitting at around 394, 394.50, you're only talking $6. That's 88 to 94. That's right at $6. So this market is going to be pretty close to that level. I think by come the end of the week, it's going to be right underneath it or right above it. But we got to kind of wait and see what actually happens there. Let's go ahead and go down and let's take a quick look at the daily noise and see how this thing traded. It was, again, this was all that consolidation that was actually going on. So that's why I'm saying this market can, looking at here on these weekly pivots, we can come back down to these pivot areas, to this consolidation area, and then give us a nice bounce back to the upside. We're going to be above pivot. We can break a little bit below pivot before we go back up. But that's what I'm going to be looking. That's what I'm going to be looking for. And if you zoom in here, people might see some kind of patterns and stuff going on here. Then back up, and then target range for this 85 to, I'll go all the way to the top, 85 to 90, say even, yeah, you got to say 92. So 85 to 92, what's that, $7? From here, you've been expecting $7, so 92 plus be 99, and that's just about where it went at. If some people, you might know what I was looking at there, what kind of numbers I was going through there. If you get with us here at Right Side Trading, I can explain to what I just saw and all. But that's one of those things that a lot of the experienced traders that are out there, they know exactly what was going on there, and I hope they just traded it accordingly and all. But that's it. That's all I really want to share here on the Dow. And all, I hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys having a great weekend. And I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.